Hello everyone, welcome to the Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering Department YouTube channel. Myself, Jitendra Patil, working as Assistant Professor in Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering Department at RC Patil Institute of Technology, Shirpur. I have more than 20 years teaching experience in the field of electronics engineering. Through this video series, I will be explaining important concept of computer network subject in a simple or conceptual manner so that student can easily understand the fundamentals. In today's lectures, we are going to discuss an important concept in computer network which is network topology. What is First of all, these are our visions of institute, these are missions of institute, visions of department, missions of department. So, what is network topology? Network topology is define the structure of a network. Before understand the different types, let's us let let us let un, network topology refer to a physical or logical arrangement of devices in a computer network and how they are interconnected with each other through communication link. In a simple word, the topology describes how computers are connected, how cables or wireless link are arranged, how data flow between devices in the network. The choice of topology directly affected to network performance, reliability, cost of installation, easy to maintenance, network stability. There are several types of topologies used in a computer network. The major type of topologies including bus topology, star topology, ring topology, mesh topology, tree topology, hybrid topology. So let us understand each topology in details. These are first the bus topology. In the bus topology, all computers and devices are connected to a single communication cable known as the backbone of bus. The backbone acts as a main communication channel through which all data travels. Wherever a computer sends data, the signal travels along the bus and reaches all devices connected to it. However, only the intended received accepted the data while other devices ignore it. At both ends of a bus cable terminated are used to prevent signal reflection. In a bus topology, all hosts are connected directly to the backbone. Advantages of bus topology: simple and easy to implemented, required less cable compared to other topology, cost effective for small network. Disadvantage: if the main backbone cable fails, the entire network stop working. Difficult to troubleshoot fault. And the last one is the performance decreases when many devices are connected. Bus topology was commonly used in early Ethernet network. Next is star topology. In a star topology, all computers and devices are connected to the central devices such as a hub or a switch. Their central devices acts as a communication control of the network. When one computer wants to send data to another computer, that data first goes to the hub or switch, which then forwarded it to the distinguished devices. And the advantages of bus topology: easy to install and manage, easy to add or remove devices, failure to one node does not affect the rest of the network, fault detection is easier, and the disadvantage: if the central hub or switch fails, the entire network stops working. Required more cable compared to the bus topology. Because of its reliability and simplicity, star topology is widely used in a modem LAN network. Next is a ring topology. In the ring topology, computers are connected in a circular structure where each device is connected to exactly two other devices. This forms a closed loop or ring. Data travel around the ring in one direction from one node to another unit. It reaches the destination. In some network, a special data packet called a token is used to control communication. Only the devices holding the token is allowed to transmit data. Advantage of ring topology: organized data transmission, no data collision, equal access to all nodes. Disadvantage: failure of a signal node can affect the entire network. Adding or removing devices may dispute the network. Troubleshooting is difficult. Ring topology was used to token ring network developed by IBM. Next is a mesh topology. In mesh topology, every device is connected to multiple other devices. This provides multiple paths for data transmission, which increase network reliability. Mesh topology is of two types: full mesh and partial mesh. Full mesh, every node is connected to every other node. Partial node, only some nodes are connected to multiple nodes. Advantages of mesh topology: very high reliability, multiple communication path, failure of one link does not stop the network, high data security. Disadvantage: very expensive due to large number of cables, complex installation and configuration, required many communication ports. Mesh topology is often used in critical systems such as military network and internet backbone network. The extended star topology next is a tree topology. In that tree topology is a hierarchical topology that combines bus topology and star topology. In the structure, devices are arranged in levels like branches of a tree, a central backbone connected multiple star networks. Advantages of tree topology is suitable for large networks, easy expansion of network, support hierarchical organization. Disadvantages: if the backbone cable fails, large part of network can stop working. Complex wiring compared to simple topology. Tree topology is commonly used in large corporate network and campus network. So thank you. Today we have discussed the topology, different types of topology. Thank you so much.